Oh no! My shiny coin is gone!
I lost it. It sank way down there.
Attention!
A little boy lost his golden coin.
A golden coin?
We should help them look. If you find it, please bring it to the front desk.
Absolutely, sportsman. Right after ice cream.
I will find it first.
No, I will.
I've visualized this 1,000 times. Today is the day I finally dive in and face my fear. Goggles on. Coin time.
Ice cream! Here, 10 minutes? It is worth the wait.
Stay in the shallow water, Arrow.
Okay, Mom. Here? Nope. Here? Nope.
It looks intimidating, I know, but trust me, the water's perfect. You just have to take the plunge.
I am the Treasure King. We will see about that. Gotcha. Look!
Hey! That is not treasure, buddy!
Oops. Ugh. It was very shoe-shaped.
That is funny!
Stop laughing. It was a good try.
Now watch me dive, Arrow.
Whoa! Look at her go!
It is very clear down here. There it is! You guys will not believe what I just saw down there. It was incredible. Check this out. It's amazing what you can find when you know where to look. I am officially the best scout ever.
What is that in your hand? Whoa! It's warm. I know, right? Wow! How deep can you dive? Very deep.
See, I told you I could do it. It's easy once you know the secret.
Huh? Who is crying?
Don't cry. We will find your coin.
It fell into the deep water. My dad gave it to me. It is very special.
Everyone, please help look for the coin.
Hey, what's in there? Let me see. Whoa, it's glowing. Where did you find it? Guess.
Wait, don't come any closer. I'm serious. Stay back. I don't care what you think you saw. This is my spot.
Show me. No.
I said nothing. We must go now. Excuse me. Coming through.
I am still waiting here. Me too. 15 minutes? Oh, come on.
Hide, hide, hide.
12 cones, please. 12 cones?
One big ice cream, please.
We have chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry.
I want 3 scoops. Here is the money.
Wait, hold on. What is this? This can't be real. I must check this at the office first.
No, you cannot take it.
Hey,
Gotta go.
come back with that coin!
Yikes. That was close. Oh no.
What is this? A coin? Where did you get this, Scout?
No, wait, I can explain. I didn't mean to lose it. It just slipped out of my hand. I found it.
Telling the truth is the hardest part. I know.
Keep it, and you get a huge ice cream.
But how will you feel inside?
Bad. I will give it back.
I will come with you.
Almost there. I can see the desk.
I really miss my coin. We will find it, sweetie.
Excuse me. Look what I have.
Oh. The golden coin. It was on the bottom of the deep pool.
Are you the owner of this coin?
No. I want to return it to this boy.
He is the owner. Thank you so much.
This is yours. I am sorry I kept it.
My coin. Thank you for finding it. It is still very shiny.
I am so proud of you.
Thanks, Mom. I feel much better now.
Well done, young lady.
Wow. Thank you, sir.
You returned it. That was very brave. I am the park manager, and I am his dad.
Oh, wow.
Really? You are his dad? I am the owner, and you can hold it. Thank you. It is beautiful.
You guys want ice cream? Follow me to the staff line.
Thank you, sir. That is awesome.
Still waiting. So slow.
Scout, how did you get in there?
The manager is our friend. Come on, Daddy.
Coming!
Wait for me. I found the missing shoe. Actually,
What you were in Groken Bignakais, someone did lose a shoe. Thank you, boy.
you are a hero, Arrow. This is great.
I want chocolate. Give me a big scoop.
Welcome to our beautiful resort. I'm so glad you could make it. We're gonna have a wonderful time.
Ready for the best summer ever. I know I am. See you next time on our adventure.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Ben.
And I'm Ellie. You just watched a story about a golden coin.
A very shiny coin.
Ben, I have one big question first.
Okay, ask me.
Is Scout a bad girl?
Ooh, that is a big question.
Let's talk about it.
So, Scout can dive. She dives very, very well.
She went down, 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 all the way to the bottom.
And there it was, the missing coin.
She was so happy. I got it.
And then she heard something.
Someone was crying. The little boy.
He lost the coin. His dad gave it to him.
And Scout stopped smiling.
Did you see her face? She said nothing.
Nothing at all. She just looked down at her hand.
For 3 long seconds.
I love that part. Because in those 3 seconds, Scout already knew.
She knew the coin was not hers.
She knew. But she still put it in the towel.
So, is she bad?
No, I think she wanted 2 things at the same time.
2 things?
She wanted a big ice cream. 3 scoops.
3 scoops is a lot of ice cream.
And she also wanted to be a good girl. 2 things. 1 little heart.
That is hard. That is hard for grown-ups, too.
Now, my favorite part of the story.
The towel opened, and the coin fell out.
It rolled and rolled, and it stopped at Mom's feet.
Oh, no.
Journey picked it up. She asked, "Where did you get this?"
And Scout said, I found it.
Ben, did Mom shout?
No, not one time.
She did not shout. She did not take the coin away.
She sat down, eye to eye with Scout.
And she said something wonderful. Telling the truth is the hardest part. I know.
I know. 2 small words.
It means, I understand you. This is hard for me too.
Then Mom said, keep it, and you get a huge ice cream.
Wait, Mom said keep it?
She did, but then she asked the real question.
But how will you feel inside?
That is the whole story, right there.
And Scout answered with 1 word. Bad.
1 small, honest word.
Then Mom gave the coin back to Scout.
She let Scout choose. She did not choose for her.
Because a good choice has to be your own choice.
Okay, Ellie, now I have a question for you.
Go ahead.
Scout gave the coin back, and then ice cream, a new friend. The manager was so nice to her.
A happy ending.
But is that the reason to be honest? To get ice cream?
Good question, Ben. No, I don't think so.
Because in real life, sometimes you return something.
And nobody says thank you.
Nobody gives you ice cream.
So listen to what Scout said at the very end. She did not say, I got ice cream.
She said, I feel much better now.
That is the real prize, the feeling inside.
Look at her shoulders. They go down. She can breathe again.
When you hide something, it feels heavy, like a big rock in your bag.
And when you tell the truth, the rock is gone.
Oh, and do you remember the lady at the desk?
She asked, are you the owner of this coin?
Scout could have said yes. It was so easy to say yes.
1 tiny word. Nobody would know.
But she said no. I want to return it to this boy.
That was brave. The manager said so too.
Okay, now something funny. Arrow.
The Treasure King.
He looked and looked in the shallow water. And he found a shoe.
An old blue shoe.
It was very shoe-shaped. I love him.
Everybody laughed. But guess what?
Someone really did lose a shoe.
The man with the big hat. So Arrow found a missing thing too.
And he gave it back to the owner, just like his big sister.
Oh, I never thought about that. Arrow is a hero too.
And poor Dad, poor Atlas.
He waited and waited and waited in the ice cream line.
10 minutes, 15 minutes, 12 cones.
He waited so long for ice cream, and Scout got there first.
No line at all, because she did the right thing.
So, friends, here's the question one more time.
You find a shiny coin at the bottom of the pool.
Nobody sees you. Nobody at all.
What would you do?
Tell us in the comments. We really do read them.
And remember, When you find something, look for the owner.
Give it back, and you will feel good inside. That's all for today. I'm Ben.
And I'm Ellie. See you next time.
Bye-bye!